We've just launched Sutori Analytics. It's been one of our most requested features, and we're really happy that it's ready in time for the back to school madness. And so, if you go onto your groups page now and you click onto your class, you'll notice that there's a view data button that's listed to the right to the stories. This view data button works for stories that you have created and shared with your students, or stories that your students have created and shared with you. And if we click onto a view data, you'll see if you've shared a story, your students will be listed here on the left. There'll be their viewing time, so that's how long they actually spent on the story, and so you can see if there's drop-off times. You can click through onto quizzes and see how the students answered the quiz questions that you've set. So in green it means they've got it correct, red incorrect, and grey means that they haven't answered the quiz questions yet. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see each individual quiz that you set within the story. And it'll give you data. If you hover over, you'll be able to see specific students in mind. So it's a great way to track and make sure that your students are answering and comprehending the questions at hand. And so you can really pinpoint the stumbling blocks. You can also check on the discussions. So as you well know, when you share a story with a group, the commenting feature is enabled. And now you'll be able to easily see who is providing the most amount of comments and who's providing the least. You can sort every field out in the table by just clicking through the name or the number of comments. All of this data can be exported. All you'll need to do is simply click on the export button, and it will provide a CSV file which you can then upload to your LMS or your gradebook. One other cool feature of Sutori Analytics is for when students have created a story. And this is a collaborative story between Maria, George, and Lucy. And so you can actually pinpoint who did the most editing on the work, how long they spent on there, and also the amount of items created. So this is great if you've given specific instructions for your students and you just want to see if they followed those guidelines with one handy view. As usual, all this data can be easily exported by clicking on the export button and uploaded to your LMS. So that was a quick overview of Sutori Analytics. If you have any feedback or if you have any specific requests, we're very, very happy to hear from you, and we're super excited to work on LMS integration now, where we'll be working with Google Classroom, Schoology, and Canvas. So we look forward to hearing your feedback, and thanks for watching.